Alright, welcome back generals to another Let's Fix Generals 0 Hour to make the best game ever. Last video we did start to implement dia2 dump aka PDB dumper for unassemblize. If you're all confused, that's okay, I'm confused as well, but we keep on going. Yeah, so Thompson's last video we read here, Psychana says something, let's say, I maybe, what happened here? Maybe I don't understand purpose, but I see hash more like something to use for performance optimization to avoid comparing ASM, but for the real deal we need ASM comp, so we know which ASM is mismatching, and ideally also link it back to CPP code for ease of use. To avoid comparing ASM if hash already matches. Okay. Good. So last video we did implement here foundation in main function to start the processing for the PDB, given on the input PDB file. But now we actually need to start implementing the PDB reader. How about we use this as a foundation? Yeah. Let's call this PDB reader, like this. Yeah. And then we do PDB reader, std string, file name, const, verbose, yeah, verbose, file name, loaded symbols. Okay. File name. Read PDB, file name. Yeah, something like this. Read PDB, dump symbols, save symbols, dump symbols. JSON string. What does executable? Executable is doing too many things by now, or is it not? Yeah. Yeah, okay, let's also include executable. Okay. Okay, save symbols config. Let's call this PDB file. PDB reader. What do we call executable here? Name. File name. Good. Let's PDB file, and here save symbols config. We call this config file, and we use SED string. It's bonkers to use C string here, C++ and not C. Const SED string. Good. Dump symbols. Alright, read PDB. Good, then let's bring these starter functions over here. I don't know if we want them to be exactly like this, but let's figure it out as we go through these things one by one. Private PDB, we need a namespace. Namespace here. We need this, that. Read PDB, PDB file, config file. Okay, I think this is a good starting point. So then what did he do in his main? He did dump PDB save symbols. But he also had a loads save symbol, dump symbols. Dump. Okay, he never called dump symbols, or did he? Dump symbols. Dump symbols. Find. Yeah, he did here. Dump symbol. Okay, PDB reader. Read PDB. What is dump symbols for then? Dump symbols. Main function, main here. Dump sims. Dump sims. Save config. Dump sims. I config. I don't think that load symbols makes any sense for PDB reader. So it's only really dump symbols, right? Save config. Save symbols config. Save symbols config. Let's for starters, let's call this save config. Save config. I don't know why we need this dump symbols thing here. Dump symbols. Ah, okay, makes sense. Save config. Yeah, let's put this up here. Okay, so basically execute the main. So we take a copy of this thing, we put that here, and we put here PDB reader, PDB reader, and we need to include PDB reader, and then PDB reader, O input file, verbose, and then if dump sims, then PDB reader save config, and that we also pass std string, return 0. And is there anything else we do? Nothing other yet. Yeah. Because it can't do anything else. Yeah, okay, so for now we just save a config with it, which is fine, yeah. Okay, PDB reader, save config. Good. Then in PDB reader, yeah, we have a PDB file name. I think here we can make this const, and we can make verbose const as well, because it's only set here on construction. And then here the read PDB, we can remove this because we have it here, file name, PDB, we remove this. And let's move it up here, read PDB. And then here we call file name is PDB file, and verbose is verbose. Good. And then essentially we want it to then read PDB. Read PDB. Okay. And then read PDB, it will do stuff. But yeah, okay. But before we can read, we now, so let's compile this if this already works. Yeah. Okay, there is a redefinition. So we remove this. Okay. PDB must return a value. Yeah. I mean, we can also do this. PDB. PDB. And then we put main here, PDB reader, if PDB reader.read PDB. Let's just call it reads. Well, let's use rename functionality, rename to reads. So if reads, well, if not reads, return 1. Okay. And then here we will, yeah, basically do the good stuff in the read function. Then we need, okay, what we now basically need is do the stuff, this stuff here. Load data from PDB. Okay, so let's copy this code here. And we call this bool load yeah. What is this here? Ah, it's a struct. Okay. So how about we go here? Here, struct this, we will forward declare this, oops, struct that, struct, and struct, all right, and then put load, let's get back to our sample cleanup. Cleanup, okay. Then let's do a function load and unload. And unload, we have these things here, dir source. We call this dir data source, and then we do a dir session and a dir symbol. Okay, and then perhaps we also want a state in here, unless we pass it. Yes. Let's do dear source dear source this dear session, dear symbol, this here and this here, and then we do unload file name unload. Okay. Unload. Clean up. Clean up this. Dear symbol, dear session. Okay. This one should be this. And so we have unload, we do this. We can actually make it static, I think. Static. Okay. Static reads. Okay, let's put it down here. So PDB reader. Static. I hate this. And then here we say unload. Let's put some just void here, yeah, so that the formatter does not kill it again. So we copy this here, clean up, and we paste it here. Dear session. If dear session, then dear session release and dear session null pointer, and hold on, dear symbol. Okay, dear symbol. Null pointer. I don't know what the problem here is. Oh, okay. It's not null pointer. Dear symbol. Dear symbol. Null pointer. Okay. So in read, we would then start off with first load. So if load, and then we pass here dear source, dear session, and then dear symbol. And if that passes, then we do at the end an unload with these two, yeah. So clean up, okay. And then in between we do like the actual reading, right? Okay, and so in load we need to do all this here. Let's copy that. So I paste this in here. Machine type. Oof. Machine type. What is pp global? pp global. Let's look here. pp source. Ah, okay, that's what we pass in there. Source session global. Why did I call a symbol? Oh, that's weird. Okay, but I actually appreciated calling it pp. Let's do that. It's pointer pointer. ppdia. ppdia. And this is pdia. 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 Well, we probably should have used rename. No, we do it manually. It's okay. pdia. All right. So use ppdia. ppdia. All right. Good. So unload. Rename ppdia. ppdia. Let's do if ppdia and that's null pointer. All right, and this ppdia symbol is not null pointer. Okay. Okay, so we have here some machine type. Let's do here another member. Is this a divert? Let's see. Divert. Let's make this uint32t machine type. Machine type. Then put here loads. uint machine type p. Okay, and then load here. This copy, paste it here, machine type. Okay, what do we got here? Search path, debug data. xt. Okay, we need to include some headers. Okay, so this should be null pointer, null machine type, let's put this to 0 here. Verbose, we can also set to false here. PDB reader, let's actually initialize machine type to the same thing, but we need some headers here. DR2 header, include DR2. Where do we get that from though? Properties. Okay, what do I need to link and include to get this header? That's a good question. So this one, dir.h, and this is part of SDK. But if I put it here, it doesn't find it. A. Surround selection with character toggles. Disable this. So there was this. It still does this. Annoying. Okay, why cannot open source file? Okay. How do we get it to recognize this source file? Also, I see that we have this one. I don't know if we need it. Tja. I don't know how we get this thing. Okay, why is include working here but not in our project? There are no additional include directories here, as far as I saw before. include link library, dependencies, additional dependencies. Let's put it on debug. What does this say? Nothing. C++. Okay, aha, include directories. Look at this here. Aha. How do we add this in CMake? Sure. So we have this here. And this. And we need to somehow add this in CMake. Sure. If I was an expert of CMake, I could tell. CMake includes Visual Studio CMake includes, maybe search directly for this. Oh. Find the DR SDK path. It would typically look something like this. Okay, I guess we can maybe take this if it works. Include, find package. I don't know. How is this used? CMake modules. Let's search for this. Okay. Okay, we need to learn how to include another CMake file. CMake includes other CMake. CMail. Oh my god, I can't type. Includes. Includes. Okay, I have no idea if this works like this. Okay, but how about we take this code here, yeah, and then we go here and we create a text document, find dir sdk sdk.cmake. And then put this in here. Let's say where we took it from. Here. Sourced from this. Okay. And then I don't know how we include this now. I don't know if we do it like this. Include. I have no clue. So we have CMake. There's git watch. Okay, let's just put it here. Includes. What is it? Find dir SDK. Let's see if it works. I have no idea. I never did this. Okay, here it says include could not find requested file. Okay. Could not find requested file. Find dir SDK. Yeah. Why not? Policy score. Loads and runs CMake code from the file given. Variable reads and writes access the scope by color. If optional is present, then no error is raised if the file does not exist. If result variable is given, the variable var will be set to the full file name. Not found. If a module is specified instead of a file, the file with name module name.cmake is searched first in cmake module path, then in the cmake module directory. There's one exception to this. If the file which calls include is located itself in the cmake built-in module directory, then first the cmake built-in module directory is searched and cmake module path afterwards. Okay. I don't know what the CMake module path is. If we launch here open CMake Thyme ng. No, that's not the correct one. We have CMake open. Okay. We search for module path. It's not in here. Yeah. Okay. What if we type in find dsk.cmake? Does this make a difference? Well, it worked, but it now still doesn't find DR2. Okay, but this CMake succeeded. Let's look at this here. So we have where did we see it here? Linker, no? Okay, it's VCC plus directories. Library directories. Okay, it's not in here. So I don't know, but at least it found the file, so that's good. So the question is find library. So maybe we need to do something with this here. Yeah. So we have this. And perhaps we need to pass it. Put it here, maybe? Maybe? Libraries include DS, maybe? Yeah, maybe it's that simple. Let's see. Oh, that's a wrong file to compile. Okay, let's try that. No, it still does not work. Let's see if anything changed here. Oh, okay. Now it's okay, because yeah, I'm stupid. Okay, hold on. Hold your horses. Hold your horses. We need to say here this here, right? I don't know if it needs a quote around it or not. Maybe not. Maybe just like this. Let's try this. Yeah, maybe this works. I don't know. Let's compile again. Perhaps we can already see the include directories here. Oh, look at this. We got different errors. Let's see, properties. Aha! It's there. Good, great. Okay, so we got the include there. That's good. All right, then Yeah, it recognizes this thing. Very good, very good. Okay, we're making progress here. Good, then we need to load here this one as well. Sorry. Okay, so we have pp source. This is this one here. How about we rename it to data pp this, make it shorter. Okay, and then we put that here. Okay, we have here pp source. Okay, then we have this one here, and there we put like so. Da, 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 da. Let's say if p machine time is not null point. Yeah. Okay. I did a mistake here. Okay, pp global was symbol, right? Dear symbol. Don't ask me why they call it like that. Okay, pp symbol has not what? pp global. Let me see. pp global is dear symbol. Dear symbol. It claims it doesn't have this function. Okay, let's worry about this later. What is this callback? What is C callback? Ooh. Oof. Oof. Okay, let's just take this file. The let's put it here. Call this dir callback.header, and let's include it in our CMake. Here, CMake. Here. Dir callback.h. All right. Then here we do pdb reader, include dir callback. Okay, let's compile. Okay, reload, new line. Okay, save. Good, compile. Okay, good. So now it knows callback. Good. pp session. pp session is this one here. Dir session, and there's another one. is this not compatible? Huh? Let's open this. Dia symbol. Struct e dia symbol. What's the problem? Public interface. Is this a class? Huh. I don't know what's the problem here. Load data for exe. Search path. Okay, there's still some cleaning up to do here. Good. So what is woof? Woof. Here, let's look in this one. So there is here this. Where is it? File name. Oh, it's what we pass. Oof. Does this also take a Olicha? Okay, actually, it looks like we don't need the callback because we don't want to load data for exe, right? Load data from PDB. Yeah. So I think what we can do is yeah, it looks like we can remove this whole thing actually, and we don't need the callback thingy. Oh, hold on, we are editing the wrong file in the wrong project. Here, I think we don't need this. And then we also don't need this. Okay, split pass. Okay, load data from PDB. Can I pass it a ASCII string? I just want an ASCII string, but this one is I don't know what it is. It's well, let's see what happens with well, I know I question the staticness of this one. How about we just do, how about we make this simpler and we remove all this. How about that? Yeah. So we remove all that. Yeah. And then we do M here. Yeah. PPDS source. Oh, it's PDS source. So this needs to be like this. Yeah. Oh, source. Okay, let's remove this here. If mpds symbol, okay, machine type. All right, let's do it like this. Is simpler. Okay. The session, we do mpds session, and that records mpds symbol here, like that. No, I don't know. Okay, here's another here. Here session. Okay, so here that's interesting. UUID of, I've never seen this used before. Wow. Interesting. It's all tricks here. Okay, let's keep on cleaning this up for our purposes. Load data from PDB. Okay, I just want to get this function right now in this session that we're doing. If we can manage this, then I think great. Okay, let's fix unload first, because that should be simple. So we make this much simpler. We say if mpds session, then release and set to null pointer, and mpds symbol here, symbol, and put that here, and remove these, and boom, done. Okay, that's good. Good, so we'll co-initialize, create instance. Okay, that looks fine. Now I do wonder here about this file name. Okay, so for SAR, how about we do here file name .cstr, yeah, but now I suspect it will complain about it being, yeah, it's incompatible with white string. Yeah, so we do actually expect, yeah, we expect a white string here, W string. Or what we do is we convert it here. I think naive conversion std string W string. Well, I think this will work. Yeah, this is just, yeah, upwards it will work. W string file name. I think it's begin. Iter first. Yeah. So I think we have to define him end and then it will work, or I'm not sure. I can't remember. Ah, fat fingers. Okay, looks like this will work, yeah. And then we do here file name. Let's call this W file name, just to be explicit in our... Okay, so I think we can remove this condition here, because we expect it's a PDB. We don't care about this. Remove the white space here. Mach type. What is this thing? Okay. Yeah, keep it. Search path. Do we need this? What is this? Is this used? No. Okay, let's remove this. I think this one is also not used. Mach type. How about we move this down to where it's actually used? Here. Okay. And let's delete. So we initialize. Interestingly, it's not checking this one here. So I guess we assume it just... Let's put here one check here. Core initialize failed. Yeah. Obtain access to the provider. Okay. Then we convert here our ASCII string to white string. We should be okay. Yeah. Then we load data from PDB. And then if that fails, we return false. Then we can delete all this here. Open a session for querying symbols. If failed, return false. Retrieve from reference. If failed, okay. Okay, now we only have two problems here. Let's press compile for now. Yeah. So it claims get machine type is not a member of that. Why? Did we do a mistake here? Get machine pp global. Pp global is symbol. Huh? Why is it? Oh, it's session. Oh, I see. Symbol, yeah. That's our mistake. There we go. Okay, that's fixed now. Good. Okay, this looks actually looks as if it would run now. Great. Let's compile this. Oh, read must return a value. Unload, yeah. Let's do return true. Return false. Okay. Good, so let's go to our main function here. So we read here, yeah. Okay, let's put a breakpoint here. F7. Okay. Okay, I think I understand now what it does here. So every time we compile this program, Windows Security will scan the file because it's unknown to it. Yeah. That seems to be going on there. Okay, let's remove this breakpoint. Okay, loads, and let's hope this succeeds. If it does, beautiful. Mwah. Muy bien. Okay, HR is okay. Okay. Thyme PDB. Okay. HR. Okay. Get global scope. HR. Okay. Match type. Machine type. Oh, that didn't work. Well, then that's unfortunate. Okay, but our default is x86, I guess this means. So yeah, Intel. Okay. Return true. Okay, and then we can now use the pointers to read on the next step, and then afterwards it will unload, release goods, release goods, co-uninitialize. Great, return true, and then it would dump symbols here if we have them, and then return 0. Okay, great. Then, yeah, I think for this session we are done. That was 1 hour 12. Short and sweet. Let's write a status update here. I've added DR2 to unassemblize and added the edit starter code to what is it? To load data from PDB and clean up afterwards. Next, I will try to read the symbols to build symbols and code to build the addresses and data we need to dump assembler to then dump assembler. Good, that's my status update. I don't think we want to already push what we have. Well, actually we could do. PDB reader. Yeah, actually, how about we submit already a few things? So fix source file header text. How about we also merge this one on there? Here, this and this. Actually, we can also remove DR callback again because we don't need it. At least not so far. Yeah. Let me see if it's used anywhere else. C callback, or is it just used there? It's just used there. Okay, then we can remove this here again, and also remove it from our CMake here. Okay, let's merge these things to our last commit, and then Yeah, we did a lot of changes here. Hopefully we didn't break anything. Da, da, da. Maybe we can also implement main and PDB reader load, implement main PDB reader load, unload to get started with reading PDB data. Main load, unload, get started, PDB data. Actually, we can also reload. Yeah. Da, da, da. Da, da, da. Okay, and then we can PDB reader. Da, da, da. Yeah, it's a bit of a big change here. It would have been nice to split this into like the refactoring. But yeah, I guess it's fine. Who cares? Let's commit this. Commit this all. Let's see if this looks good. Yeah. Looks good. Good, good. Okay, let's stage this and commit this. Let me push it to here. And that should be da da da. The omniblades pull requests. Let's rename the pull request to advance unassemblize. Good. Push latest to this. We'll continue tomorrow. We'll continue tomorrow. Good. Then, yeah, from my side, things look good. Yeah, we can. Yeah, so it will be similar to what CC Hyper tried to do with the other library here, but apparently that didn't work because that PDB could not read the other PDB, the old PDB. But we know that DR2 can definitely read the PDB, so that's good. Okay. There was some comment from Thompson which I wanted to agree to. He made a comment about, where is it? Yeah, this one here. Reply, strongly agree that API is bonkers. Looks like made for C. Good. Yeah, from my side, we are done. Actually, I'm very happy with the progress. Beginning 2 days ago, I had no clue what's going on with this tool, what the mission, and now I have a pretty good idea of where we want to go. Obviously, I don't yet know exactly like all the intricacies or the implementation details, but I have like a general plan. I hope it can be implemented. I think first goal would be to really just like get the info, the base info we need from the PDB, save that into the JSON so that we can also see it, and then yeah, add more data to the JSONs, and then try to generate the assembler with that, and then see where we go from there. Yeah. Good. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. That was a quick session here, 1 hour 23, not 2 hours this time. So a little short. Well, it's already late. Yeah, it's late in the day right now. Okay, then I wish you a great day or night. Until next time, goodbye.